Here I have Oppo A1 and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly, what you'll have to do is to open screen which you want to capture, could be our home screen or whatever, maybe some settings. And to take screenshot, what you'll have to do is to press combination of keys volume down plus power key. And the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, so easily. And one last time, volume down, power key, and we got it. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album. And here they are. And from here you can send, share, edit, delete your screenshots or perform any other action from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.